Hey there everyone, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today we install the Bikerzbits luggage rack on my Honda CRF300L. So this is a very easy install. It's really just taking a look at the rack, the quality, and how it fits on the bike. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out on the channel. Thanks so much, hope you enjoy this. Alright, so the stock luggage mounts just give you these little bolt extensions here. And the luggage rack is going to be placed on that. And actually for stock, there is quite a bit of room to mount things. Hopefully this will give me some more utility with the bike. Here's what it came with. 2 longer bolts, a washer on each, and a spacer, and then 2 shorter bolts with a washer on each. This should be a pretty basic setup. Overall, the quality looks pretty good. It did get, looks like damaged in shipping a little bit. When it was packaged, it wasn't entirely secure. It was bubble wrapped, but these bolts were just kind of flailing around inside there. They were packaged together, but that package was moving around inside the box, so it kind of sucks. If this was like a, you know, over $100 rack, I'd be pretty upset. I'm going to email the company and see if they want to do anything about that or not. I also got this rack because it just looks a little more beefy than the regular H2C Honda one. And it has these kind of pre-drilled holes here that maybe I could mount something to, like a roto pack or something. It's also a little wider down here than I think the H2C rack wanted to grab a hold of. So we'll see what's going on with this. All right, here we go. All right, so I think this bike comes with some tools in the toolbox. Let's see what's in here. This kind of manual. Foam and a tool kit. Okay, a couple of different size Allens and a fuse puller. All right, I've never removed the seat before. Here's how it tells you in your manual. Wow, these are really torqued down. Just loosen them all real quick. Oh man, we put this together. Really gave it something. All right. Oh, that was in there. All right, all loose. All right, so these things come right out. There is a collar that comes with it. That's how the seat comes off. Here's what's under the seat. Looks like there's a little bit of storage here if you wanted to put maybe your, I don't know, something down here. It looks pretty good down here. Frame looks pretty good. Clean. Well, here's underneath the seat if you're curious. I might actually take this strap off in the future. Looks like you can do that, that's great. Just where I sit on the bike naturally, this strap, I kind of I'm sitting a little in front of it or a little behind it. It just seems to irritate me on a long trip. So I might take that off. We'll see. Not today though. Another color in there too, but these have these on them. So I'm assuming that keeps the rear cowl in. So we'll see how that works out. All right, here's the rack. Looks like it's gonna be just fine. Also sticks out a little further than the headlight. Looks like it's gonna be a little fiddly. Yep, it's gonna be fiddly. A lot fiddly. All right, so it looks like everything has to happen at one time to get it working. All right, after some fiddling, got it to link up. All right, let's just loose fit everything. Stay longer than I thought it would take. These bolts that came with it seem to be a 12. hand. All right, so that translated into easy install, but pretty fiddly. So a second person would probably make this have gone a whole lot easier. 15 foot-pounds of torque. So don't over tighten it, don't hang off of it. This is a pretty beefy rack, seems to be super secure, seems to line up right with the back. That looks really good. Overall, I'm happy. Kind of sucks about this gouge here and missing paint, but whatever. You almost have to sneak the mounting points through this crevice behind the seat while pushing down at the same time. And you can kind of see, so you want the longer screws here, and then on the back, you want the shorter screws with the spacer. So it's screw, washer, spacer, factory spacer. On this side, it's screw, washer, factory spacer. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this helps you out and answers your questions about this luggage rack if you're thinking about getting it. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.